Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two top-tier AI video creation tools, Synthesia and Pictory. If you're looking to simplify video creation with the power of AI, this showdown is for you. Let's see how they stack up. Starting with Synthesia, it's a cutting-edge platform designed for creating professional videos without needing a camera or microphone. The standout feature? It's AI avatars, which can narrate your script in multiple languages, making it perfect for training videos, tutorials, or global audiences. Synthesia offers tons of customization, from choosing avatars and voices to adjusting fonts, layouts, and branding elements. However, it's more tailored for businesses and structured content rather than casual creators. On the other hand, Pictory is a fantastic tool for turning text into engaging video content quickly. Simply upload a script, article, or blog post, and Pictory transforms it into a dynamic video with text overlays, images, and even stock footage. It's excellent for marketers, influencers, and anyone looking to create short-form content like social media videos or promos. While Pictory isn't avatar-focused, it excels at summarizing and visualizing text. So, which one should you choose? If you need polished avatar-led presentations for corporate or educational use, Synthesia is the clear winner. But if you're all about creating snappy text-driven videos for social media or marketing, Pictory is your best bet. That's it for today's comparison. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more AI tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.